When you're ready, just get into a nice comfortable position. Chair, if you're sitting on a chair, try to have your feet grounded on the floor. If you're on something comfortable, laid out flat would be good. Wherever you are, just try to be as comfortable as possible. Feel yourself sink into that chair. And first things first, we just want to get a nice good exhale. Push everything out. Nice good slow inhale, opening up the chest like an umbrella, filling up as much air as we can slowly into our lungs. The light of Hashem renewing us. And a good exhale out. Another good inhale. With every inhale, feel a nice wave of relaxation coming over you, calming you down. Ah. One more good inhale. Ah. Feel yourself calming down. Relax your face, your head, your neck, shoulders. Relax it all. Let it loose. Relax your chest, your stomach, and your lower back. Melting into Hashem more and more, feeling yourself sink deeper into your chair. Your legs, your knees, all the way down to your toes, just completely relaxing in. If you can, right now, just try to imagine a light coming down into your room, surrounding you on all sides, a pure light of Hashem. Just envision it coming down. Make sure you just stay focused on your breath if you ever get distracted. As this light comes down and fills up the room and surrounds you on all sides with this feeling of tranquility and calmness, security, protection, the light of Hashem coming down to meet you where you're at. You realize that every single breath you take is that vitality coming through your nostrils into your system. Slowly try to imagine this light coming inside of your being, filling you up yourself with light, with this same calmness and tranquility, feeling of belonging, being understood and heard. Let go of any of the blockages and the noises that are there. Slowly, as this light goes in, it starts to push out any darkness. Take this light if you can and try to focus on the light that's in, so to say, your mind, what makes up your head. Here we're going to let up a tefillah to Hashem, the creator of all. We know his greatness, the creator of our own soul, my individual soul. Please Hashem, fill up my mind with the right mindset, the proper view on you, and the world that you created, everybody that you give life to in it. To know that this whole entire world is just an extension of your divine will being revealed to me. Give me the ability to see that you're behind everything, and there's nothing besides you. En od milvado. And also the strength to live according to that with passion and connection. To have a healthy balance between knowing that it's all you and it's all up to me. If you can, take this light down into your body, to your limbs. Let this light spread out even more. This consciousness comes down. V'yadata hayom v'ashavot elevavecha. You shall know today and return it to your heart. Hashem is God, there is no other. And as this consciousness comes down, your heart starts to fill up with love. You realize how much presence you have right now of the Creator with you. The Creator of the whole entire world is right now coming to connect to you, to put His light on you. You're worthy of connection, you're worthy of presence. We feel loved back for all the good that Hashem does in our life, all the blessings that He's bestowed upon us throughout every single day we've been through. We want to have a love for His commandments and for the Torah, for His sages, for His nation, for every single person in this world that's connected and doing good. To have love for myself, and those closest to me. With that, to have the balance, the healthy balance of a lot of awe and reverence, the opportunity to have the light of the Creator of all surrounding me and filling me, present at all times. The whole entire world is filled with Hashem's honor. There is no place free of Hashem's consciousness and awareness. There's nowhere I could go to hide. I'm being watched and observed at all times. I'm expected to do so much. A lot of responsibility. Strong need for discipline and dedication and strength. And like a hug, I feel them both at the same time. An expression of love while being embraced strongly. And as we take this light further down into our legs, rooting it more into our actions, pray to Hashem that we have the ability to act out according to what we know and what we feel, to persevere against all of the obstacles that come on our path, anything preventing us from reaching this inner truth and living it. While also submitting into the will of the Creator and knowing that I can only do what I can do. Aligning all of my actions to the truth. Connecting it all back to the Creator. From a place of accepting that He is King over me. His will is what I need to fulfill. With joy and full emunah and faith that this is the right thing for me to do, and I'm in the best hands possible at the right time. From here, another Tefillah to Hashem. And we walk away from this better people, more connected, with more awareness. These words shouldn't go in one ear and out the other. They become part of our makeup and our first nature. If you know anybody in your life that needs this light, this is an opportunity to send it out to them. No matter where they are, what situation they're in, you can send this light to their soul. The light of knowing that it's all one, it's all comes back to Hashem. You can stay in this as long as you want. You have no obligation to go anywhere or to change anything.